For continuation of classification of element and periodic properties, nomenclature of element with atomic number is greater than 100. How we write the name of inorganic compounds or inorganic elements, element which having uh, atomic number is more than 100. First of all, it's quite easy to try to understand. Keep in mind, whenever you are going to be write, you will make three column. First column you will substitute digit, and second column its name, and its symbol, like a short form what we can write. This is called abbreviation, right? So digit, if it is 0, this is name is nil. It helps a lot to finding the name of element which have atomic number more than 100. So keep in mind, if digit somewhere you are find 0, its name is nil and abbreviation is small n, right? Next is 1, its name is un and abbreviation is u or symbol is u. 2, just you write by. Somehow it is very easy, but somewhere it is little typical also. We are unable to recognize is it like. 3 is quite easy to write try, and its symbol is smaller t, or we may say lower case of t. Next is 4. In case of 4, you have to write like quad. It looks little odd, but you have to memorize this thing. Okay, q. Normally we are reading for 4 is tetra, but this case we are writing q, quad. And if it is 5, you have to write pent. It is normal, again smaller or lower case of p we can write here. If it is 6, then you can write hex, hex, and nominate as a symbol is smaller h or lower case of h. Next is 7, we are writing sept. It's again little odd. Okay, so where is little odd, be careful when you are writing the name, otherwise it's quite easy. 8 is you can write oct and presentation is 0, and 9 is symbol is enn. This is also little different or little irregular. So in this case you have to be memorize the what we had given you table, and then it's quite easy to write the name of inorganic compounds. And whenever you are writing first letter, it must be capital. Keep in mind what be the key factor I am teaching you. Whenever you are writing the notation of any element, make like un you are writing to u is capital. U is capital in the case of when you are symbol presentation. Symbol you are writing the any elements, first one we must write as capital. Second is whenever you are substituting the name, you must be put ium, em. Ium must be acting as a suffix. You have to be right. And we are going through the some examples. This is frequent exam asking question in your examination or unit test or final test. You will get one question every year. So look for the, if compound name, they will ask you 101, write the name of 101, which atomic number is 101. It's quite easy. Think 101, 1 is for un. Look from the table, you will just collect your data from table. First is un, un. So you will write simply un, not necessary to look more that things. Then we have 0. So it's quite simple. 0 is stand for nil. I'm just highlighting the portion. This is for first number, this is for second number. Next is again 1. So again 1 is un, and terminal you have to be substitute as a suffix ium, right? So un, nil, un, ium. When you write this un, nil, un, ium, now for the just breakout by which you understand little properly. And then you will, whenever the notation takes place, you must write notation is capital U, small n, and small u. First letter, see, first letter when we are writing in symbol, that time we are using first letter in caps or uppercase. When you are writing in words its name, again you are utilizing first word is always in uppercase, right? Second is we are looking for number 102. Whenever you are writing 102, collect little data from the table. 1 is un, so you can keep u is capital un. Then again you will add nil, and for 2 you are using by. Okay, and then em is so double I, so we will keeping only one I, em, right? Next and last we are looking in this page, and next we are moving with the ahead. 1, so you will do practice parallelly with me. On, then we will make it nil, and 3 is try. Everyone clear with the try, right? Or em you have to write, so it not be doublet of I. We'll just substitute a try and em, right? So this is the way we have to write in examination by its name, and apart from that they will demand you for writing the symbolic presentation. So u is the symbol, first one, then nil is n, and b is smaller, right? When you are writing this one, u is capital and n, and then t can use, right? This is the way you will present the symbolic presentation. One is called symbolic presentation, another is called name, and this is the digit, which is already asked in exam. So keep in mind how you have to be write the name of all the compounds, and it is important up to 118 elements. It's very important. Whatever we are reading, this is our IUPAC nomenclature. This is very very important to all of us. Next is 104. We are looking for 104. How we are writing? First of all, you write un, u and un, and for 0 nil, and for 4 it is quad. What we had already discussed, em we have to be add in terminal position. And how we are presenting its symbol? Capital U, then N, then Q, right? That's where you will put the name of 105. Again you write un, then you write nil, then you write 5 is pent, and em you have to be add. So I think now you become a perfect. It's no doubt at all to how you write the atomic number greater than 100 and its IUPAC name. U is upper, then smaller n, then p you can write. So do practice by yourself. It's give little much more idea, and much more you are developing your how you are writing skill. So 106 is somewhere, un is for 1, nil for 6. I'm little writing separating, but you don't write little separating. Why I was writing? Because you will easily analyze it. 1 is responsible for un, 0 is responsible for nil, and 5 for pent, and ium is suffix. So I'm writing, but not necessary to you give the gap between them. Un, nil, eggs, em, right? And symbolic presentation is also essential for all of us. So you can write u, then n, then h. Next is 107. You can write the un, and again you can write the nil, then sept. Keep in mind, normally we are confused here. We are using the hept in organic. We had learned in our previous qualification in 10th class. So you don't be confused. There is not hept, there is actually sept. If you done committing mistakes, your marks gonna be deducted. So don't be. So u and a smaller n, and then a smaller s you can put. First letter must be either when you are writing an alphabetical arrangement, or either you are writing on the symbolic presentation. Everywhere it is. Keep in mind. 108 is again we are writing on, nil for 0, and 8 for oct, right? Em you can add, and you can collectively you will write on the symbolic presentation u and o. Perfect. Next is better you will try for 109. Un, again nil, and 9. 9 you will memorize it better. ENN, IUM we have to use. Little irregular this. What we are writing, this is irregular. So be perfect whenever you are writing 9. Be careful whenever you are writing for 7. Be careful. 4, it is very careful you have to be. 110 you can write by the un. Again you are using un, nil, em. And whenever the presentation is required, u, a smaller u, and then we can use n. Correct. Then you can use for 111, it is by yum. So like that you can try, and hoping you will do it. So I'm stopping here, and up to 120 you will try and practice up to 120. If anywhere you will get resistance, if you find difficulty somewhere to finding the name of atomic number greater than 100, please ask me in comment section. And if any kind of problem you will face in this topic, please ask me there. Thank you.